Okay, huge candle, it's pumping. If you're watching this video, I'm about to make you very, very wealthy. I need you to stick around because I've just uncovered a brand new method of launching meme coins. And no, it's not all of the BS that you see from these 5 to 10 different copy and paste videos. That method only worked around a couple of months ago, maybe a couple of days ago as of recently, but it doesn't make the amount of money that I'm going to show you in this video live. And I need you to see it for yourself because it's very, very simple to do, very, very simple to execute if you do it correctly and you follow the steps that I'm about to show you now. As you can see, have I done this before? I have done it for educational purposes only, but as you can see, some of the coins that I've launched using this method, I'm going to blur out all the information that you need to actually find this, but as you can see here, launched it around $500 market cap, went all the way to a $27,000 market cap. So you can kind of guesstimate how much exactly you would have made if you would have invested whatever type of money. It's around a 10x multiple. So anything you would have put in, you would have potentially 10x. So this method is incredibly simple. And in order for me to show you, I'm literally going to show you how simple it is. You only need 2 things, okay? The first thing you need is a token creation site. Now, why do you need a token creation site? Because if we were to launch on Pump Fund, we can't necessarily extract as much profit from the coin if we were to just simply launch it there, because you cannot control all the supply. Pump Fund only allows you to control a portion of a supply instead of just launching it straight on the Radium DEX, which means you can control all of the supply yourself. So I need you to find a website that allows you to create a coin, and most importantly allows you to have this copy trending coins feature. Honestly, it's a very rare occasion that a website actually has something like this. So I would recommend something like MemeFast. You can create a coin from scratch and control all of the liquidity, as you can see here, or you can also copy a trending coin, which is part of the method that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to find is a token creation site that allows you to launch coins on Radium. Okay, so we can control all of the supply, okay, as you're gonna see in this video. And additionally, it should have a copy feature because that's gonna make it a lot simpler for you, okay, a lot simpler. And secondly, you're going to need and find 3 to 10 different Telegram channels that you can share your project with. Or you can also, if you have a big Twitter following, connect with influencers and share your coin, okay? This is gonna be the two key things that you need in order to succeed using this method. I know it sounds simple, but trust me guys, as we go through this, you guys are gonna see how simple it is, okay? So the first thing we wanna do is we wanna find a good enough coin to replicate. Now, again, most sites that you guys have seen before is unlike this one. In this website, you can actually find coins that have a good project already lined up, okay? So what we want to do here is we just want to make sure that we click refresh. Before you do that, make sure you connect your wallet. I think it costs a little bit of a fee in order to actually create one of these coins, but you want to make sure that you find a good enough project. So here, I'm going to go ahead and cut to the part where I find a good enough project by refreshing. What we're actually doing here is we're finding coins that are at the top of Pump Fund, meaning we're finding coins that are about to graduate, meaning we're finding coins that are already getting bought into, and we can copy and pasting it instead of some of these other videos that show you that they just copy and paste a coin manually. We're actually just going to do it in one click. And as you can see, this one here looks very promising. AI projects, anything with AI and meme coins, just like in real life, is actually getting a lot of attention recently, okay? And what click and create a token here does is it allows you to copy and paste it, and it also allows you to copy and paste the X website and the Telegram website for your specific token, okay? So what we want to do now is, I think this is the one that we're going to go with, because again, if we search up on Pump Fund, we're going to find that there's going to be a lot of different copycat coins because there's already people trying to capitalize off this. But the thing that they don't have is going to be the fact that, oh, actually this coin, nobody's copying it, and it's actually just released 4 minutes ago. You see a lot of people are buying in already. It already hit King of the Hill. It's about to hit bonding curve. This is the right moment to do so. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to simply click create coin, and it's instantly going to create a coin for us. All we have to do is make sure we log into our Phantom. Remember, you guys have to be pretty quick when you do this. If you find a coin like I just found, this is literally a once in a lifetime. This might actually make a crap ton of money. And you have to keep in mind that what we're going to do is actually all in this website, which is really, really cool. A lot of other websites, you have to launch the coin yourself on the Radium website. Here you can actually create the liquidity pool. So right now the token isn't actually tradable yet. What we have to do next is click create liquidity pool. We have to make sure that we do 900 million so people can trade the rest of the $1 billion total supply. Right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm just gonna put 0.5 Solana in it, and we're gonna click create pool. Okay, what this is gonna do is it's gonna make it instantly tradable on the Radium DEX, meaning it's gonna be like people are gonna think that this coin already graduated and already hit bonding curve, and it's gonna show up on DEX Screener. Okay, if you guys don't know what DEX Screener is, it's this platform over here. If we click over here, again, you guys are going to see that when a token graduates from Pump Fund, it goes from here to here. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to catch it before, right? As you can see, it's about to hit it, so I need to launch really quick. We're going to hit it before, and we're going to launch straight on DEX Screener. Okay, so what we have to do now is click create pool, give it a couple of seconds. You have to make sure that you confirm the transaction, confirm it here. There we go. There we go. We've officially launched. If we click view on Photon, this coin is actually instantly tradable. Guys, so we do have to give it a little bit of time, but this is the coin that we just made right here. As you can see, we started here. Some have already bought, some people have already sold, but it's okay because we copied a good narrative for the coin. As you can see, if you go back here, you can start to see your profit and loss already, which is really, really amazing. Back to Meme Fast, it shows us, the cool part is it shows us the liquidity pool. We have already shared this on Telegram and across all social platforms. Now you can start seeing your profit and loss here in real time. As you can see here, we're just gonna wait a little bit for people to buy in. Remember, we started here. This is the current market cap of the coin, and all we have to do is just sit and wait for buyers. As you can see here, we have our first buyer. The coin actually went up quite a bit. If we go ahead and refresh over here, it should show us an updated list of the profit we've made so far. There we go. As you guys can see, using this copy token feature is actually game changing because it automatically copies the websites, right, that we went ahead and did. All we have to do now is sit and wait for the coin to pump, right? And afterwards, we're gonna have the ability to remove the liquidity from Meme Fast itself, which is going to be amazing. So now all we have to do is again wait for the coin to pump.
2 seconds later.
Okay, huge candle. It's pumping. Let's go, guys. Let's actually go ahead and refresh here on Meme Fast. It's going to show us the profit that we're at. We're currently at 125 USD in profit. That's actually freaking insane. I'm not gonna go ahead and rug it just yet because it is doing well. Remember, guys, we found a good narrative. We used the copy feature here on Meme Fast itself. So it's a really, really, really good feature because of the fact that you can copy tokens that are doing amazing already. Again, we're still in the game, so we're not gonna go just yet. We're gonna play at this live, see how exactly it goes. Okay, some people are selling, no need to worry. We're just gonna play it out. Okay, we're getting a lot of buyers here. We're already at $1,000 market cap, guys. As you guys can see, this is insane. This is insane, honestly. Look at this. Let's go ahead and refresh Meme Fast. Boom, $200 profit already. I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna make sure. I think this coin can hit a really, really high liquidity amount, but remember, we want to make sure that we stay safe. So as soon as you share, you have to make sure you don't spend too much time on this. But since we did copy a good project with a good narrative, I want to make sure that we still stay in it for a little bit. Yo, okay, getting major buyers at the time. Okay, guys, we're at 1,001 liquidity. Let's go ahead and refresh Meme Fast, see where we're at. Yo, guys, we're at $471 in profit. Let's go. So as you can see, we're at $600 profit. It's time. What we're going to do is basically just going to click 100% right here. We're going to click remove liquidity. It's going to take us to Phantom. We're just going to click confirm. We're going to click yes here. We're going to click yes, confirm. And what it's going to do is actually going to remove the liquidity successfully. As you can see here, I don't have it anymore in Radium right here. And we have a profit, guys. Let's go. This is a new method that is completely untapped. I don't know how long this is going to last. If you guys need access to this website, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and join the Telegram down below to figure this stuff out and help me let you figure it out on your own. All right, guys, God bless. We'll speak soon.